think this is take 5. Why video? Well, think about it. You're watching this video right now when you could be reading or looking at a picture, but you're not. And I'll bet you'll have a better understanding of who I am and what I can do from this video than if you were just reading a blog or looking at a picture. Simple text can be great and does have a place, and an Instagram picture, well, it can be worth 1,000 words. But a video, if done properly, can do something that neither one of those other mediums can do. It can create emotion, it can add credibility and trust, it can tell a story that a picture and a text simply cannot. When I think about some of the projects I've done, video far surpassed what an image or text could have ever done for that business. I want to challenge you, when you're thinking about moving forward with your company or have an idea that needs to be executed, consider what video can do for you. I'm Grant Rogers. This is Creative Video YYC. Have a great day.